Poultry feed is expensive and an important determinant for hen performance and health, so therefore feed formulation is super important. Least cost feed formulation is currently used in Australia, but we could be missing out on a lot of opportunities because it doesn't account for hen production, profitability, or the variation that exists in feed ingredients. But max profit and stochastic feed formulation do. But they're not commonly used in Australia, so we wanted to know why. Our project aims to determine the industry's views of max profit and stochastic feed formulation techniques and the barriers as to why they're not being used more commonly. This project helps industry by identifying that there's actually great interest to use max profit and stochastic feed formulation techniques, but there are some barriers to their use. For example, more tools and training may be required. These techniques will help farmers by improving the productivity and reliability of the ration. For farmers wanting to work with nutritionists to use these techniques, they can help by collecting market, production, and feed ingredient data.